So if you look at my latest video, you'll notice it got 132 views in 5 days. This actually might not be a lot, but if you look at my other videos, like a Lamborghini video which got 225 views in 2 months, you would know that the video gets views faster. That's why today I'll be doing another Unity project. But today I won't be working on planes because I'll be using a duck and a craft to get Duckcraft. And now, with this amazing idea in my head, we begin on the day of Sunday, November 22nd. So as you can see, on Sunday I painted 2 textures, which were the duck and the grass. I also coded in walking, so the duck can walk and fall. That tiny falling through the grass bug took me 5 days to fix. Soon, Monday came around the corner. I didn't have much time that day, but I still managed to create a list of things to do and to add to the game. And now, it's time for Tuesday. This day I had more time, so I was able to do more things and paint more textures like the rock, the inventory, and the crafting bench. And if you also notice, I added camera follow, which actually helps you explore more in the game. I know that was a short description of Tuesday, but now it's time for Wednesday. I began Wednesday by creating an auto inventory sorting system, which basically meant that I can add items to the inventory and I did not have to worry about in which place they have to go. So here you can see it in action. Let's watch the slow motion replay. So basically whenever I click a button, it should add a lot of rocks to my inventory. And as you can see, they added in order to my inventory, which means this was a success. And then after Wednesday came Thursday. And this day I wanted to make that you don't click a button, but you have to walk up to the rock and click a special button to pick up the rock instead of not coming up to the rock. As you can see here, the rock does not disappear when you pick that up, so that's something I need to fix. After a while, I actually managed to fix it, so when you pick up the rock, it gets in your inventory, but you can never get it out. So that's a thing I need to work on Friday. So after Thursday, rolled in Friday. This day I wanted to fix in the dropping mechanism, and also I needed to fix the falling through the ground bug. So as you can see here, you can pick up the grass blocks, the pebbles, and you can put them down whatever you want. So basically, you can actually build a house now, which is actually pretty cool. So then I wanted to add procedural generated terrain to my game. So then I decided to use Perlin Noise because that would be pretty easy to use it. So I just asked Google a teeny tiny question, and I'm pretty sure I got the answer clear now. So let me make a list for all of you. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to sit on an egg for 1 week, buy 3 dozen French fries, and watch tutorials for 6 hours straight. Well, all of those are not true, except the third one. So after doing a little bit of research, here's how the terrain looks like now. I like it, it's pretty cool, but it's a little too bumpy, so that's why I'm gonna go and polish it up real quick. So right now I'll be showing some gameplay of the game, and I'll just be here in the background just to comment on what I'm doing. So here looks like I'm flying around. I know that you can fly while jumping if you hold the space bar down. I think I'll fix that like next episode. So I'm just walking around, and those are the old blocks, so let me go grab a pebble. Let's go to this hill. So what I really like about this is that you can dig the whole terrain. So what I mean by that is like, look, I'm just building a hole. So basically you can have a whole house in a mountain. So you can like build houses in mountains, and then you can use those blocks that you picked up to build more stuff. But it does not give you the specific block yet, and it doesn't give you like the size correctly, so I'm gonna have to go fix that next episode probably. And as you can see, if you jump and then place a block, you can actually build a nice little house. It's looking pretty good. We have a nice solid entrance, and we have a pebble at the top. So let me go quickly pause it. Where's the duck? Oh, so another bug I found, you can jump super high if you keep clicking, so that's why I had to go and reset it manually. Okay, we're back in the house. So what else did I do here? Okay, so I'm digging like this hole, it seems, here in this clip. Okay, so I think it looks like a second entrance, and oh yeah, I remember here I was building like a bridge. So what I like is that you can use all these blocks and place them wherever you want to create like structures like houses and bridges. It's pretty cool. So I'll have like a download link in the description, and I'll show you how to download it if you want to do it for yourself. So as you can see, you can hop really high. Let's explore the rest. So there are like mountains here. I like it's not too bumpy, so it just looks more realistic. So here I thought of building like a giant bridge to my house, but apparently it was just gonna take too much time, and I was a little lazy, so I decided just to leave those blocks there. So here I was digging down here for like a base, like another part of my house. But apparently I blocked it off, so now it's just green carpet on the floor. So I'm just walking around here, and you can jump out of this hole. Kind of reminds me of a volcano. So I'm walking around. What am I gonna do? I think I built like more carpet there. It does look like carpet, so you could use it to decorate houses. I should actually add carpet to the game. Would be pretty cool, but shouldn't I add the crafting table first? Or the crafting bench? That's also something I need to do next episode, so you can actually make stuff like chop down a tree. And I placed that pebble there as like a chair, I think, or something. So to download the game, you want to click on the link I put in the description, and then it'll take you to the Google Drive folder. And then what you want to do is you want to click download all. It takes some time to install it, so that's why I'm going to do like a quick time lapse of how it's downloading. So just going to zip up the file, and it's going to download it. So I'm going to wait. Okay, now it's done. So then what you want to do is you want to go to your downloads folder. Wait for it. Okay, there it is. So you want to go to your downloads folder. And then you'll find like a zip file there. So then what you want to do is you want to extract it. If you want, you can still put it into the downloads. But so let's just wait for it to extract. It's almost done. Okay, so when you opened it, you want to click on this application called Duckcraft, and you'll be opened up to the game. Okay, so when you open up the game, you should see a Made with Unity screen, and it should open you to a randomly generated world. As you can probably notice, your jump rate is like higher, that means like it's more like bouncy, and your speed is slower. So that's the only thing I could do to export it, but oh well. So in this clip, I'm building like a house out of dirt blocks. It's probably not the best source, but it's the only source I have that I can build with. So I got all these grass blocks in my inventory, and in the game you can just build. So here I'm building a roof on my house. The 5th and the 6th slot you can't really use yet right now, but I'll fix that soon. I don't know, maybe in like the future, maybe the 2nd episode. Okay, so in this clip, apparently it's stuck. Oh no, it's good. So I put up this grass block there, and that's the roof of the house. In this clip here, I also made like a little entrance to the house, underground. It's probably not the best entrance, but it's better than having to enter through the roof. And there's the little hole, so if you want, you can do whatever you want here. You can build a tower, you can dig, you can build a build. So that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye!